how to enable two-step verification on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want added security by enabling two-step verification on your WhatsApp, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your WhatsApp, then head over to settings in the bottom right corner and then go to account. Now here tap on two-step verification and you can see you need to create a PIN for extra security and you can use the PIN to access your account. Just tap on turn on and then create a 6-digit PIN that you can remember. Now confirm your PIN. That's it. WhatsApp is turning on two-step verification for you. You can add email in case you forget your PIN. And then if you don't want to, you can just hit skip. And then there you go. It's as simple as that. If you want to change the pin, you can just tap on change pin and change your pin, or you can even turn it off if you don't want this two-step verification. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.